Hi guys! Through dust, sunsets, wildlife, and campfire nights, we build memories that will last a lifetime. This is building memories through my lens, accompanied by a song written especially for the Ivory Dust Bug family. Thank you for being part of the adventure. Let's relive these unforgettable moments together.
The city fades behind me, the tar road disappears. The red dunes call my name again through all the passing years. A ranger points towards freedom where the endless silence lies, and the Kalahari welcomes me beneath her painted skies. With a camera in my hand and coffee on the fire, I find the peace I've searched for and the place that lifts me higher.
I'm an ivory dust bug chasing sunsets in the sand, following the gems bark tracks where the wild still rules the land. Under stars that shine forever, the worries all grow small. The Kalahari holds my heart and keeps on calling, calling.
A cheetah in the distance, a lion in the shade. A secretary bird is dancing where the morning light is laid. The owls watch from the camel thorns, the battlers ride the breeze. Every moment tells a story carried softly through the trees. And every photo captures what words could never say, a little piece of heaven that I carry home each day.
I'm an ivory dust bug chasing sunsets in the sand, following the gems bark tracks where the wild still rules the land. Under stars that shine forever, where the worries all grow small. The Kalahari holds my heart and keeps on calling, calling. When life becomes too crowded and the noise won't let me be,
I open up those memories and the desert sets me free. The campfire starts to flicker, the coffee starts to boil, and I remember who I am on that ancient Kalahari soil. I'm an ivory dust bug with a story still to tell, of Ruiputs and Nosub nights and the places that I know so well. And I'll keep sharing every journey with those who dream alone, for the Kalahari lives forever in my heart and in this song.
the fire burns low, the stars shine bright. Another day